SoiKoi Smart Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box, high-tech comfort for you and your cat. Clean, safe, smart, connected. Give your cat the clean, comfortable, and intelligent litter experience they deserve with the SoiKoi Smart Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box, the perfect fusion of advanced technology, hygienic design, and convenience. Designed for modern pet owners, this high-quality self-cleaning litter box offers a super-large space to accommodate cats of all sizes, ensuring maximum comfort and freedom of movement. Light bulb intelligent features that make a difference. Checkmark extra large interior. Perfect for small to large cats, giving them space to feel at ease. Checkmark infrared sensor system. Smart IR detection ensures safe use and adapts to any environment, with anti-pinch technology to protect your cat at all times. Checkmark easy to clean. The entire unit is easy to disassemble and wash, making deep cleaning simple and quick. Checkmark health monitoring via app. Connect to the SoiKoi app for remote control, health tracking, and even camera monitoring to check on your cat and capture photos. Checkmark advanced odor control. Built-in ultraviolet disinfection and anion deodorization kill bacteria and eliminate odors, keeping your home fresh and clean. Checkmark smart waste management. Get alerts when the waste bucket is full and customize the cleaning delay time for your cat's comfort. Whether you're at home or on the go, you'll always be connected to your pet's health and hygiene through the intuitive mobile app, giving you peace of mind and full control from anywhere. Sparkles. Why choose SoiKoi? Combines smart tech with pet-friendly design. Promotes better hygiene and health tracking. Saves you time and eliminates unpleasant chores. Stylish, modern, and fits beautifully in any home.